Hello entrepreneurs, welcome to NOBOSStv. To bring you this video, I scoured a number of sources to create the most valuable list of businesses with high growth potential. According to my research, we're in both a mobile and sharing economy. Consumers are increasingly looking for businesses that will come to them. So keep that in mind, because if you can apply the mobile and sharing business models to these business ideas, you're on your way to a seriously profitable new business. So let's get started with NOBOSS 60 plus hot businesses to start for 2019. Food and beverage. Food is perhaps one of the businesses that an entrepreneur can start and grow to profitability within a short period of time. Street vendors and food trucks in particular, with a projected growth of 3.7%, or let's say $1.7 billion. So if you're interested in a street vending cart or food truck, think specialized, gourmet, Chinese food, soul food, barbecue, seafood, or baked goods and pastries. More interested in the fishing industry? Well, apparently people are eating double the amount of fish these days, which is why investors are eyeing the fishing industry. But not only for the fish, for the bait and gear business, fishing transportation business, and lodging businesses just for fishermen. Can't go without your wine? Good, because the wine industry continues to gain due to the millennial generation preferring domestic wines. So what business can you start in the wine industry? How about a wine shop, vineyard, wine exporter, wine bottle recycling, wine manufacturing, or your own luxury wine? Don't want to make the wine? Then build your own wine selling portal or an on-demand wine delivery app. Now, if you're looking to start a food processing business, I've got a few for you. Baby food production. There's a global market for baby milk and baby cereal. Even nursing mothers can't go without feeding their newborns milk or cereal at some point before their second birthday. So think all natural, fresh, organic, or baby food delivery services. Now, believe it or not, baking powder and baking soda. There's no country in the world where baking powder and baking soda are not sold. Baking powder only has 3 ingredients, and baking soda has only the one, sodium bicarbonate. Now, catering services. There are so many cuisines you can specialize in, from vegan, vegetarian, to gluten-free and barbecue. And there's so many ways for you to cater them. Weddings, corporate, reunions, events for organizations and associations, just to name a few. Cakes are always good, and the bakery business is always thriving, easy to establish and definitely profitable. But instead of the overhead of a storefront bakery, maybe you can deliver, cater only, or supply restaurants and free up their ovens. Have a special recipe or family recipe or two? Build a business by selling your jams, jellies, sauces, curds, condiments, or fresh herbs at a local farm stand. But if you don't want to spend your time in the kitchen cooking, how about a food delivery service? You can deliver for restaurants and caterers to consumers at their homes, office, hospital, or campgrounds. And don't forget to create a local app in your area, because all of those restaurants will be begging to sign up with you. You can also provide supplies and equipment with your new catering rental services. This type of business is super easy to set up and even easier to manage. Caterers and consumers need wares, and sometimes they just want to rent them. Plates, food warmers, cutleries, tablecloths, gas cookers, and drums. These are just the main items that you should have to rent. You can even extend your rental to chairs and tables as well. As you build your business, you might be able to handle planning the entire event. Cars and vehicles. If you have the space for cars and a good supply of water, you almost can't go wrong with a car wash. And the best part of the car wash business, You can extend with car repairs or selling auto parts. Your local mobile car wash app should be a big help to launching your business with a splash. Now for this business, you may need a little more experience or training. However, the boat cleaning business is looking really good for 2019. When boats are hauled out of the water for winter or need mid-season repairs, they also need their hull cleaned. And this is a good time for you to upsell your services for a major cleaning on everything else like the decks, sleeping quarters, the head, and the holds. Real estate. Own property or looking to buy property? Then multiply your return on investment with vacation rental property. Renting out a furnished house, apartment, townhome, or condo just for vacations and holiday rental. Or use your home to start a quaint bed and breakfast inn. Now, house flipping is guaranteed profits when you buy low and sell high. It's so rewarding to restore properties, help others, and maybe even rebuild a community. Have historical property or a beautiful collection you'd like to display? Because museums and historical sites are on the rise. Even if you don't own any properties, consider property management. You'll spend your time making sure the property is ready for those seasonal visitors and well maintained when no one is around. So, you have no property, but you've got plenty of vacant land? Well, this is NOBOSS, and we think big. You may want to open a flea market of your own. In a post-recession economy, people are looking for bargains, and flea markets are doing pretty good. With low startup, low overhead, you don't have to quit your day job, and you can even keep your flexible schedule. But the coolest way to go with that vacant land is to join the tiny home movement. You'll have two target markets to aim for success. Millennials who have very little funds and saddled with those old college loans, and baby boomers who's trying to stretch that pension by finding affordable living. Tiny home construction is fun and it's a lot easier than you think. Most are only 400 square feet of living space. But in addition to building tiny homes, the movement is also chiseling new niches in a variety of industries. You could design tiny home floor plans, decorate tiny homes, build scaled furniture and features just for tiny homes, or start a tiny home community. You provide the water and electric hookups. Homeowners can park for short or long-term stays, or they can rent the tiny homes you're building. The expansion opportunities are endless, from laundry facilities or services to a general store, a morning cafe, exercise gym. The list goes on and on. Education. Online education business. If you have the expertise, start your own online school. The global online education industry is projected to increase annually by 20%. Little overhead cost and easy distribution, which make the online education industry ripe for a new entrepreneur. Here's the key interests that are really hot right now: academics, languages, business how-to, marketing, personal wellness, hobbies, and catering training school. Business and professional services. Freelance your business skills to other companies as an independent contractor. This is perfect for expat entrepreneurs or digital nomads. Offer bookkeeping and accounting services, specialized consulting, graphic design, social media management, virtual assistants, grant writing services, expert witness services, import-export specialist, and the Notary Republic and Justice of the Peace seem to go hand in hand. Writing and editorial. Much like the freelance, your writing skills could be B2B or B2C. Do what you love and make money as an editorial magazine or content writer, marketing copywriter, copy editing and proofreading, indexing, developmental editing or book doctoring for manuscripts, ghostwriting and book writing, copywriting, web page content provider, and of course, you can always start that killer blog. Computers and technology. Oh, the ever-changing world of computers and technology. If this is your gear, consider providing IT support or electronics repair. But if programming is more your lane, consider these two specialized areas. Computer systems design and related services. It's showing an incredible growth potential, as well as creating medical services apps specifically for doctor consultations, physiotherapy, medical prescriptions, nursing, elder care, and lab tests. The need is so high, it doesn't matter whether your app is addressing the healthcare provider or the consumer. What is important is that the mobile and internet technologies are merging and serving as a digital means of curing in each aspect. Entertainment. Are you fun, entertaining, want to be a star? Want to document your journey as a digital nomad maybe? Then create your own TV show, reality show, podcast, or talk show. Medical. Baby boomers are the cause of the healthcare industry's continued growth, having the highest percentage, up to 60% of employment by 2024. So how about starting that elderly healthcare service business or in-home assisted living service you've been thinking about? Transportation services like shuttles and van pools are great extensions for this type of business, or as a standalone business on their own. Medical marijuana. According to ArcView Market Research, legal marijuana sales will be more than double, increasing from $7.4 billion to $20.6 billion in just the year 2020. With more states jumping on the cannabis bandwagon, you can build a website for your business and sell online. The latest trends are cannabis delivery business and the need for an on-demand marijuana delivery app. However, an emerging industry is biotechnology, one of the fastest growing industries and helping to develop the quality of health and life. Even the government is pumping funds into this industry to encourage more entrepreneurs to start up. If biotech is your thing, consider these specific areas: food processing, hybrid seeds, specialty medicine manufacturing, biodiesel production, biotechnology training school, water conservation, waste processing, and of course, build your own professional mobile app as a biotech consultant. That's our NOBOSS Hot 60 Business Ideas to Start in 2019. So don't let the new year catch you without a passive income, multiple income streams, or a booming new business. Click the like and subscribe buttons below. Thanks for watching, and remember, a real boss has no boss.